The WorkLink platform is an enterprise-scale solution designed by industry pioneers Scope AR to support knowledge and transfer retention between subject matter experts and less experienced workers in the field, on the factory floor, or wherever they are located. By leveraging the most advanced augmented reality devices and capabilities on the market, WorkLink platform experts are able to support problem areas and increase efficiency in a variety of ways. SMEs can connect live to workers in problem areas and provide instant support using powerful annotation tools with remote calling, or easily create pre-built instruction sequences which workers can load on demand when guidance is required. For the most effective results, WorkLink allows users to combine these capabilities, adding detailed instructions to an ongoing call, or requesting live remote expertise during an in-progress work session. The WorkLink platform has been successfully applied to multiple industries across many different use cases, generating some of the most impressive ROI numbers ever recorded, including PRINCECASTLE's field service and installation team, Unilever's factory operators groups, and Lockheed Martin's manufacturing experts. Scope AR's WorkLink platform. Built for enterprise. Proven results.